One stroke deer tutorial. You start with the green base for the eye and then you go with an angled brush. This is a 5/8 and that was the tail and the head and the neck. Now I'm gonna add the ears and the hairs with the same angled brush. It's 5/8 and now you're gonna add the leg over there. And now it's time for details. I'm using Loewe Cornwall for round medium brush, adding a small butterfly and painting the wings in. And now just some white details and you're done. Thank you for watching. You can also add some swirls to make it interesting and some glitter, of course. You could add more butterflies or use stencils. Thanks for watching.